To upgrade my mechanical lathe into a 3-axis CNC machine, I began by digitizing 2 axes to enable computer-controlled machining of cylindrical and entasis pillars. To achieve this, I needed a servo motor, including its servodriver, to control the cutter's movement along the column. A precision stage with a servo motor, also equipped with its servodriver, for moving the cutter closer to or farther away from the pillar. An electrical transformer to power the servo system. A Windows PC equipped with a CNC control software. And a CNC control board to link the PC and the servo drivers together. By the way, when I started this CNC conversion project in 2015, I knew almost nothing about CNC hardware and software. I did some research on the internet and relied on the experiences of others who were building their own CNC machines. I began by buying a used precision stage with its Yaskawa servo motor and servo driver online. I managed to connect and make it work individually by referring to the servo driver manual I downloaded from the internet. Then I used a CNC control board called Servo Linker to connect the servo driver to a Windows XP PC through the parallel port. As CNC control software, I used Mach 3, and after numerous attempts, I was finally able to control the servo motor from the computer. Even by manually writing small programs of a few lines. I then conducted further tests by connecting the precision stage, and afterward, I took the entire setup into the wood lathe room. I then attached the precision stage to the wood lathe, securing it onto a carriage, and installed the cutter spindle motor on it. I also purchased the second motor second-hand online, the one that allows moving the precision stage and its cutter along the lathe. Unable to obtain the right cables, I had to separate the wires and connect them one by one, referring to the manual. Then, I attached the second servo motor underneath the wood lathe. Using a chain system, it pulls the carriage, on which the precision stage is fixed, along the lathe. I also upgraded the control panel of the lathe by purchasing an electrical enclosure, also second-hand, online. Since it was filled with cables and electrical switches, I had to first remove everything and then only use what I needed for my connections. After numerous tests and adjustments, the wood lathe is now ready to machine pillars with 2 computer-controlled axes. After a series of rough machining processes, we obtain an entasis-shaped post. Here I'm running a finishing machining that removes a thin layer of wood from the post.